Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone is carrier locked and capturing the IMEI. Carriers often require that. Once done, update iOS and backup so you can restore if needed. Next, contact the carrier and request the Esim QR or activation code for the exact plan. This is required because an Esim activation ties to that carrier profile and billing account. You now add the Esim. Go to Settings Cellular, add Cellular Plan, and scan the QR or manually enter the SMDP Plus and activation code. Make sure to label the new line and assign default voice and cellular data correctly, because those choices control which number uses data and which handles calls. If the QR scan fails, use the carrier's app or manual code. This matters because you finish by restarting the iPhone and verifying cellular signal, calls, and data to confirm activation. If you're replacing a physical SIM, transfer numbers or remove the SIM after the eSIM works and then reassign defaults as needed. If things go wrong, reset network settings to clear stale provisioning and try re-adding the eSIM. If that fails, contact the carrier and have them re-provision the profile, because most issues stem from carrier-side provisioning or account flags.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.